Jerome had a leaky tire. He was interested in how fast the air of the tire was leaking. He took some measurements at 3 different times and measured the air pressure in the tire that had leaked. These are the results. So this is the time, or the X values, and this is the air pressure, or the Y values. At what rate? Rate is just another word for slope. At what rate in PSI per minute is the air leaking from the tire? So all they're asking us for is slope. So you can do slope with a formula, or you can do it with the calculator. But let's go ahead and do the formula. It's going to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this will be our second one. So we'll do 27 minus 28.8. And we'll put that over 8 minus 5. So what do we have here? 27 minus 28.8. 27 minus 28.8 is negative 1.8. And 8 minus 5 is 3. Let's see if that simplifies. Negative 1.8 divided by 3. Negative 1.8 divided by 3. Okay, so you can either write our slope as, gosh, I think all these would be right. Okay, let's write them all. You can either do, let's do this one at a time. You can either say that it's going down 1.8 per 3 minutes, or, what was the other one? Negative 0.6, or you can say it's going down 0.6 per minute. That's per 1 minute. Or you can go decimal and say, or sorry, you can go simplified fraction and say it's going down 3 every 5 minutes. So down 3 per 5 minutes. And I would have to accept all 3 of those. I think the easiest one would probably be the first one, but all 3 of those would be right. After taking the last measurement, he decides to try and drive to a repair station. The car is safe to drive as long as the air pressure is at 15 in the tire. How many minutes from the time of the last measurement does he have? Are you serious? To get to the repair, be safe. All right. I think, let's see, that's b plus 5. I think I kind of want to go calculator on this. So it has to be 15. 3 plus 5. Okay, let's see what we got so far. All right, so right now, let's see, stat, enter. Right now I've got 5, 8, and 12. And on the right I've got 28.8, 27, and 24.6. Okay, so the formula, so let's figure out the formula. Stat, calc, number 4. So the formula for this is negative 0.6, oh, that's the slope that we already found, plus 31.8, that's the tire pressure that he starts with. All right, so that formula, you know what, let's put that into y equals and look at it. I'm going to do that one more time. Stat, calc, number 4, but I'm going to put it into what y equals, so I'm going to hit vars, y vars, enter, enter, enter. Now if you push y equals, that's going to be typed for you now. Or not. It was supposed to be. Let's try that again. Second quit, second enter. Let's try that again. Done. Okay, so now it's into y equals. Oh wow, it's really ugly. Now I'm going to look at the table, but you can also look at the graph. Or maybe we'd have to zoom out to look at the graph. Zoom out. Jesus. Okay, let's look at the table. All right, so 5 is 28.8. 8 minutes is 27. 12 minutes is 24.6. And we're going to try to drive, okay, so we need it to stay above 15. Let's see where it goes to 15. Oh, it's getting close. 15.6. There it is. So 28 minutes. So at 28 minutes, the tire will have 15 psi. So how many minutes from, oh my God, from the time of the last measurement? So at 28 minutes, so how many minutes is that after the last measurement? So if he measured at 12 minutes and then he has until 28 minutes, so that's 16 minutes later. So 16 minutes after last measurement.